Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. Today we're diving into Nextcloud, a powerful self-hosted platform that lets you take control of your digital life. Imagine having your own personal cloud storage, similar to services like Dropbox or Google Drive, but with one key difference: you own it. All your data resides on your own server, giving you complete control over privacy and security. Nextcloud allows you to seamlessly sync your files across all your devices, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer. You can access your files from anywhere with an internet connection, ensuring you always have what you need at your fingertips. But Nextcloud is more than just storage. It's a full-fledged productivity suite offering a wide range of features. Think collaborative document editing, integrated calendar and contacts, and even video conferencing capabilities. You can share files and folders easily with colleagues, friends, or family, allowing for seamless collaboration on projects. The platform also provides sophisticated access controls, so you can precisely manage who has access to what. One of the biggest advantages of Nextcloud is its open-source nature. This means the code is freely available for inspection and modification. It fosters a vibrant community of developers constantly working to improve and expand the platform's capabilities. This transparency also contributes to increased security as potential vulnerabilities are quickly identified and addressed. You can extend the functionality of Nextcloud with a vast library of apps, catering to various needs from project management to multimedia streaming. Security is paramount in today's digital landscape, and Nextcloud takes it seriously. With data breaches becoming increasingly common, having control over your own data is crucial. Nextcloud offers end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only you can access your files. This provides a robust layer of protection against unauthorized access, even if your server is compromised. By hosting your own data, you eliminate the reliance on third-party providers, giving you peace of mind knowing that your information is safe. So, if you're looking for a secure, versatile, and private cloud solution, Nextcloud is definitely worth exploring. It empowers you to regain control of your digital life and protect your valuable data. Head over to nextcloud.com to learn more and discover the power of self-hosting. Check out the link in the description below.